Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the console with the tilde key. Once it's open, you bind directly. Type bind F, slot 1 to equip primary with a single key press, and bind Q lastinv to swap weapons quickly. You do this because bind injects a command into the input stream, making actions instantaneous. Once done, test each key in a safe map or versus practice so you confirm the behavior before moving to chained or alias binds. Next, you create aliases to chain actions and avoid lengthy repeated typing. Type alias quickswitch, slot 2, wait, slot 1, and then bind V quickswitch to toggle fast. You use wait to ensure the engine processes each command in order, which prevents dropped inputs. For complex sequences like drop weapon then switch, build an alias for the whole sequence and test timing values. Once stable, write those aliases to a config. So finally, save your working binds by adding them to auto-exec. CFG in the game's CFG directory, include exec auto-exec, CFG in config, CFG if needed so it loads on launch. To apply changes immediately, type exec auto-exec, CFG in the console. Make sure your quotes match, mismatched or smart quotes break binds. If something fails, check for key conflicts, remove or rebind the offending key, and confirm the console is enabled. If a sequence misfires, increase.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.